back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl MBD. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to another upload. So today's video is a Dragon City hair review. You know, you guys, I have like maybe 3 weeks from Dragon City. No, 2 weeks. This is the third one. So I went to Dragon City last week, as you guys might have seen in my previous vlog, and I got this 12-inch from Dragon City. It was $850. I did mention the details in my previous video, but I'll just put everything in the description box. So yeah, this is an installation video. I've already installed it, as you can see. I just want you guys to see how I install. This is my first time, by the way. So yeah, it was a funny one, but this is how the hair looks like. I really do hope that you enjoy this video. I'm just gonna put like music over it, but this is how the install looks like. But look at that, this side is perfect and this side it's a mess, son. But yeah, this is how the hair looks like. Please do like, comment and share and subscribe and become part of my family. Hope that you enjoy this video. Yeah, this is how I look. I don't know if but I think for a first timer I did well. Guys, don't mind my eyes, I'm feeling a bit sick. But yeah, this is how I look after the install.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me